My name is Timmy Clark. I work at MedCenter Health in Bowling Green, Kentucky, and I'm a PACS Administrator. I manage all of our imaging systems and the people that use them. And the main people that use them are radiologists. I was having problems with our radiologists not wanting to read, straight up refusing, or complaining about slowness all the time. I went to our network staff and asked, what can be done? Can we reach out to our vendors and have them inspect our current configurations to see if anything could be optimized? And we got nothing. Everything was optimized to the vendor's best practices. At that point, I was asked to find another solution, and that solution was Zscaler. In our legacy VPN environment, our end users remotely were seeing about a 6 megabit per second connection. Through Zscaler, we increased to 100 megabits per second, over a 600% increase in speed. Reducing the latency for each radiologist means they can go from reading 65 to 70 exams a day to now reading 128 exams a day. With ZDX, we have complete visibility from the client computer all the way back to our data center, every hop in between. So if a user calls and says, hey, it's really slow, or it was slow last night around 8 p.m., I have the technology now to log in, pinpoint that time frame, and find out exactly where that slowness was. I have complete visibility end to end, where previously we didn't have that. With our radiologists now being able to keep up with the workload, the results are getting to the referring physicians quicker, and we're able to provide better patient care. For me, I don't get phone calls anymore. And when I do get phone calls, it's a thank you for fixing the problem. During my journey on solving my problem, I was informed about all the other technologies that Zscaler provided. In a world where we handle so much patient health information and all the HIPAA laws out there, we are at risk of being hacked all the time. Now that we've removed our radiologists from the VPNs, we're looking at removing VPN altogether. Zscaler has provided us a way to do that. That way, it's going to reduce our attack surface.